and gentlemen. Namaskar and warm greetings. Very, very good morning. It is a profound honor to stand amidst such reverence.
ग्लोबल आईएमई बैंक सबैका लागि बैंक
Revered religious leaders, venerable monks, and esteemed scholars in this sacred assembly. This morning, as we gather under the shared banner of wisdom, compassion, and mutual respect, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Secretariat of the Nanhai Buddhism Shenzhen Round Table for organizing this ninth remarkable forum and for inviting me to share my reflections. The culmination of 8 successful episodes of the Nanhai Buddhism Roundtable speaks to the enduring dedication of the platform towards safeguarding peace, fostering cultural exchanges, and nurturing the symphony of civilizations. Today, at the 9th chapter unfold here in Kathmandu, I am confident that it will deepen the bonds of friendship, inspire mutual learning, and advocate the eternal values of peace, compassion, and cooperation among Buddhist communities in Nepal, China, and beyond. This gathering holds particular significance as it takes place in Nepal, the sacred birthplace of Lord Gautam Buddha, the light of Asia. This land, blessed by his footsteps, symbolizes a timeless bridge between the Buddhist heritage of Nepal and China, reflecting a profound spiritual and cultural connections that has flourished through centuries. Distinguished guests, Nepal and China share more than just borders. We are bound by the timeless tapestry of our history, the majestic embrace of our mountains, the life-giving flow of our rivers, and the profound richness of our cultures. Buddhism has been the luminous thread that weaves together the spiritual and cultural fabric of our two nations, fostering an enduring bond of harmony and understanding. From the ancient journeys of the Chinese monks, Faxian and Wenjiang to Nepal, to the enlightening visit of Nepali scholar Buddhabhadra to China, our shared history is replete with exchanges of wisdom and learning. The architectural marvels of Nepali-style Buddhist temples in China and the grandeur of Zhonghua Chinese Buddhist monastery in Lumbini stands as eternal moments to this enduring connection. It fills my heart with pride to acknowledge the role of Lumbini Buddhist University in Nepal, a beacon of knowledge dedicated to Buddhist studies. The collaborative engagements between this institution and the Nanhai Buddhist Academy in China exemplify the spirit of partnership and shared aspirations. I am confident that those bonds will grow stronger in the days to come, enriching the legacy of our shared heritage. Ladies and gentlemen, the teachings of Gautam Buddha illuminate the path of a meaningful and harmonious life. His profound message of love, compassion, non-violence, and universal peace transcends the bounds of times, offering solace and guidance to humanity in its moments of despair. The Char Arya Satya, Four Noble Things, Noble Truths, and the Ashtanga Marga, Eightfold Path, remain timeless principles that can liberate us from suffering and guide us towards enlightenment. In an age marked by materialism and division, the wisdom of Buddha resonates even more powerfully, reminding us of the need to nurture compassion, embrace peace, and uphold the Panchasila, 5 moral precepts. This forum, convened in the spirit of these sacred teachings, is a beacon of hope for a world yearning for peace and cooperation. It is heartening to learn that the Kathmandu Forum will be followed by a youth forum and the World Peace Prayer ceremony in Lumbini, inspiring younger generations to carry forward the luminous legacy of Buddha and his teachings. Before I conclude, I extend my deepest gratitude to the organizers for bringing together this august gathering for the global Buddhist community to champion the cause of harmony and peace. May this forum serve as a guiding light, fostering love, compassion, and understanding across nations and the peoples. Let it inspire humanity to walk the noble path led out by Gautam Buddha, leading to a life of peace, fulfillment, and collective prosperity. May the teachings of Buddha continue to guide us towards a brighter, more harmonious world. And I would like to welcome all friends from abroad and Nepal. And I believe that this 9th series of Nanhai, yes, Nanhai Buddhist Roundtable will provide a new opportunity to us to march ahead with the same spirit of Buddha's teachings for the world peace, for the global harmony, compassion, and shared future. I wish your stay here in Nepal and in Kathmandu will be a fruitful one and pleasant one. Thank you very much.